I'm filming. Oh, he got it.
It's a little creek. Not too bad of a fish.
Creek crit him right there,
Ready for
little
that
bass.
release?
Yeah, let's get him. What's up?
All right, buddy. See you later.
Goes what? See your water.
Okay, so this spot right up here,
That's how you do it.
see a tree in the water?
Yeah.
You're gonna catch fish right there. Yeah, they're right here in this flat.
Man, we're gonna have to move forward. There's gonna be some bass back there where it's dammed up. See that? I already know.
Dude, this is my spot. You don't tell me where I'm at.
Oh,
You don't tell me.
I was just trying to advise you, just in case. You know, I always try to be polite and give insight to what I think. Oh, you see this? There's a bass back there. In between the cut right there and a little corner. It's gonna be like Ungar Touche. Right here, watch this. Oh no, that was sucky. Oh, you did.
Dude, you get one opportunity. Fishing at its finest.
This is fucking raw right here.
Whoa, dude, that's some quicksand, bro.
Dude.
Did you feel that? Is it
Yeah,
sinking?
that shit's crazy right there, yeah. Bro, that bass is right here.
There he is, right there.
Where?
See him?
I don't
Right
see
in
him.
front of us, dude.
Oh, dude, he is right there.
I'm right in front of him.
Alright, I just don't use it. But the Instagram allows me to use good music, you know what I'm saying? Do short clips.
Right?
So that's what I love about Instagram. And then it allows me to use the link to my next video, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's free advertisement.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, I got a big bass right here.
Yeah?
Yep.
Got him. It's a good one, huh?
Yeah, he's a little good, boy.
Told you. That's like a 2 or 3.
2, yeah.
3?
He's a little 2.
Oh, yeah.
What? Come here, little dude.
At least 2 and 2.5.
Nice little bass, dude.
2.
Hey, he makes it though.
He's cool. He made the cut.
He made it.
He made the top 5.
First fish, you know what I'm saying? There you go. That's what's up.
Hold on,
Yeah.
hold that for like 2 seconds.
He came up and hit that. I knew he was gonna be there. Whew, that's a beautiful fish. Look at that. Man. I wish I had my monster hat.
Hold it for a second.
Oh yeah. Let's try this. I don't care. I'll put him in the water.
Get it.
I'm down with that. That's why like people are like, man, watch the slime and shit, but bass are very resilient. You know what I'm saying?
You hold on there for a little bit, you good.
Yeah.
You in the water a couple times. Oh, I just got fucked up with my line, but I'll still catch one with it. I'm getting hit, dude.
Boy out in the woods catching them bass. Got him? Oh, perch!
Skip it! Yeah, let's get a hit!
The bass in the bookie.
Dude,
Hey, he got a
look
long
how
ear. He got a long ear.
Snap. So,
That's a nice
put him
one.
in his mouth. That's a pig.
Yeah, right?
Here, just free meal, dude. We just gave him a meal. Feed him!
Yeah. That's crazy. Oh, he's a bass. Got him.
He's running at me.
Got him. Heck yeah. That first person view, bro.
Stay, homie. Shit. Good one?
Yep. Nice little chunk. Oh, I got him! Oh, no!
Damn. Fail.
Oh, damn! It was a chunk, though.
It was like a 3.
He was fatty. Ah. Hold on, I need one more cast. Man, he is nice. Damn.
Oh, that one already took it?
Yep, the one already took it.
It's underneath that long.
Oh, get him.
That's the smaller.
All right.
The other one. The other
All
one.
right.
Right for the taking right
All right.
now. She's gonna be pissed, dude.
I don't see the other one though. I think we scared him off.
Dude, that thing took it so quick.
Yeah, it did.
Probably that big one I just had on.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
I don't know. It's a bass though. A little die.
It's not that big. It's good size though. Come on. He's worthy.
He makes it. Bassing.
Got him?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. Yeah, son. That's a solid fish, bro. Look.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look at him. Look, dude. He's solid.
About what you just caught though.
2.5, 3. Just a little bigger. It's a solid fish. Especially for back here. There it is, folks. Oh yeah. That one I definitely wanted to snipe off you. Oh man.
Alright, let's keep rolling.
Nothing here?
Wow, this is better area. It's not to make that kind.
Oh, okay.
Not bad.
Yeah, some decent fish.
Better than the last one.
Oh yeah. I'm not saying anything. I like it. Oh yeah. Nice. Chunk, boy.
Huh?
Huh?
Just what you need.
Oh yeah. Look at that fish, y'all. There you go. Nice. Got it all, baby. Oh.
Long guy.
Little.
You got a shot of it, did you? Damn, did you see that?
What was it?
I got hit instantly.
Nice. I heard it
Got
pop.
blown up.
Heck yeah.
Huh. Like I hit the bank and it went,
Pop, yeah, I heard it. I think I was looking down. Tie my shoes.